Team news is out. We've got Oba up top, Iwobi and Ramsey in behind. Listen, I'm upset Lacazette's not in, to be honest. Lacazette's a big game player as well. I feel for him because the same shit was happening on the Wenger, the 60-minute thing, and being left on the bench, and Giroud starting, the same again with Oba. So I feel for him, and he's a big, like I said, he's a big game player, and he hasn't been scoring recently, but he's been getting the assists. So that's one thing that I need to point out from the attack. I would have felt more comfortable Lacazette starting ahead of either Ramsey or Iwobi, either one really. But it is what it is. Then we got Torreira and Xhaka in behind. Socrates, Mustafi's back. He's not the greatest, but it's a fucking boost for us at least. Lichtsteiner looks like he's the third centre-back, and Maitland-Niles on the right. Makeshift, like it's been for the last 5-6 games. Nothing we can really do there. It has to be, we just have to fill it with bodies really. We've tried Xhaka there, hasn't worked. I know Lichtsteiner, I drove up with Aaron from the mob, and I know he's not happy about that, but nor am I, but it is what it is, man. Whoever we play there, I don't think we're going to be happy with it. I think only Socrates at the middle has been consistent this year. So, but look, big game. Tottenham have lost. Come on, Arsenal, man. We need a fucking big away win. Come on, let's do this for Emery. Let's do this for the fans. Come on, Arsenal. That was a ball. Come on, Arsenal, 1-0 up at Hampton, let's do this. 1-0 to the Arsenal, 1-0 to the Arsenal, 1-0 to the Arsenal, 1-0 to the Arsenal. Fucking good tackle, and then penalty to Liverpool. You fucking team! Half-time, 4-1. I don't know what to say, man. Lack of quality, the golfing class is evident. All I can say is Klopp's had this team for, 3.5 years? I think only about 2 or 3 of that squad remain here. So he's had a massive overhaul, something that we need. Oh, it's just 4-1 at half-time against a team. It's fucking poor all around. It will be started the match well, but apart from that, we've had nothing. Literally, it will be at a little 5-minute spell, but 4-1. Firmino had our defenders on the fucking floor, 3-4 of them. He scored a goal like he's Messi or something. Right, let's see how bad this is going to get in the second half. Cause this is what I mean about leaving Lacazette on the bench as well. Yeah, he's good impact sub, but if the game's fully gone, what the fuck are you going to do, bro? What the fuck is Lacazette going to come on and do? Even if you bring him on there, he's probably going to be demoralised. He's coming on 4-1 down. He knows he can't really help. Let's go Arsenal, man. Let's not fucking embarrass ourselves any further in the second half. 5-1, man. I'm vexed, but 4-hour drive for this bullshit. Reminds me of Wenger times, but listen, it's a long fucking job ahead for Emery, and the next step obviously is Kroenke pumping in some funds. He's getting the best out of the squad. Tired legs now. We haven't got the depth to fucking chop and change like other teams do, so it's all mad right now, man. I'm vexed. 5-1. And we took the lead as well. But not enough quality, not enough bite, not enough determination. It's a whole heap of things, but it all comes down to quality as well. At the end of the day, you can have all the determination and hard work you want, but if you ain't got the quality, then you ain't gonna fucking do anything.
We're so far behind them, it's unreal.
Yeah, man, just with Miles and Aaron, just vexed. Drive back now, it's fucking long, bro. Yeah.
Are you over there?
Yeah, I'm down there, man. Lads, 5-1. Come on, man. Come on, like, I know I've said it like 6 times for this video. I don't know what more to say. You've seen it for yourself. Watch my AFTV interview, because I let it all out on that. I ain't got much else to say on here, man. Bro, Aaron, fam. And I don't want to rant either, but it just come out of me, man. It's emotional, but listen, Fulham at home on the 1st, we need to bounce back, and we need to bounce back in style, man, because a 1-0, 2-1 edgy victory ain't going to help us right now. We need to bounce back, get some goals, get our goal difference back up, because look, Man United are creeping behind points, and goal difference wise we've just been hit. So let's see.